Well, we're going into Disneyland Park. We're in the parking structure right now. This is day 8 of our 20-day road trip in 2025. It's Friday, March 7th, 2025. And we've got Ethan with us. We're gonna check out, see if we can get on the Disney Railroad, which is now reopening today. And we're gonna walk around the park, maybe go to Haunted Mansion even if we can get in there.
I hope.
And we're gonna have a Dole Whip for Mr. Ethan too, so
Yeah.
come along with us. To the parks. There's Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Going. You're gonna send this to Mommy and Daddy. Mommy and Daddy are at Walt Disney World today. Hi.
Awesome. Hey, you. Mr. Ethan.
Yeah, let's start walking like back to the castle on track.
Hey, you.
Baby.
Hey, you.
It is really busy here today, guys. It's a busy day. Ethan! Who that? Who that, baby? Grandpa, where are we going?
Yeah, we're going on a choo-choo train.
Choo-choo!
There it is. It's a girl driver.
What is that? Did you go on the choo-choo? Did you go on the choo-choo
You see it? Look at all the choo-choo train.
Yay! Where you going, Ethan? You're on a train?
Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride,
Hi, Grandpa.
stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. ¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños.
Still closed. It's a
As
small
we leave
world.
Toontown Depot, we get doing battle with evil empires and emperors. Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. Just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astro blasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you,
There's water coming off the top of this. It's getting people wet. I know, it's on the top. What do you think, Bubby? You're tired, huh?
tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping in New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station.
Once again, please remain fully seated when the train comes to a full and complete stop inside the station.
For those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures. And entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Make sure little ones stay seated. We're ready to stop the train. Little ones to be fully seated. We're ready to stop the train.
Hey, you gotta sit down here. He's gonna stop the train.
There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below.
There's the Mark Twain.
People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of countless generations have moved west on
down there,
this great
Grandma.
frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were grabbed hold of those mighty dreams and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
I think I meant, yeah. It's like, I think the first thing they see is safe. See the numbers. You
remain fully seated when the train comes to a complete stop. Gateway for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad.
Here we are. We're back.
Once again.
What Grandpa get you? What kind is it, Grandpa?
Dole Whip.
Can I have a taste? Is it pineapple?
You like it?
Is it cold, Bobby? Look at you. You like the Dole Whip, mister? Does that feel good on your mouth? Is that good?
That's good.
Ooh, look at your mouth. You liked it. Is that cold? Is that a Dole Whip? Do you like that? Do you like it? Does that taste good? Yay! Gonna take Ethan on the first monorail ride. It opened back up too. We're lucking out today.
For this next train, we do have strollers, we do have the stroller spacing. Signature strollers are folded forward from signature stone. When you come through your boarding gate, please lower your heads and watch your steps. This will be round trip service from here to downtown Disney and back again. Enjoy your flight.
We'll see where it's coming in. I don't know. Oh, here it comes.
This way, yep.
Here it comes. You're gonna go on another tram, Choo Choo. Hold on. Don't turn like that. You're gonna fall out. No.
There goes the monorail.
Look at Grandpa.
We're in the monorail.
Hey, Grandpa.
Here we go.
Daddy Bruce. Yeah, it's curving.
Right.
Bye, Bruce.
There we go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. We are now beginning a 2.5-mile journey to downtown Disney Station and back. We are now arriving at downtown Disney Station, gateway to the downtown Disney District and the Disneyland Resort Hotels. If you will be leaving us here and returning later today, please hold on to your park ticket as you leave the station. You may reboard the monorail for a return trip to Tomorrowland up until 1/2 hour prior to Disneyland closing. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop and the doors have opened. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the left of the monorail. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you enjoy your visit to the Disneyland Resort. For those of you continuing with us, we'll begin our return trip to Tomorrowland in just a few minutes. Thank you.
This is a drink sipper with a straw. We're going to put it in Ethan's room.
Thanks for watching. Please like us. Please subscribe. And until our next adventure, bye.